Hey everybody, I'm looking upside down at the camera. I got a package here. I've been programming day and night so I don't look so pretty, so I'm not showing my face today. I hope you don't mind. Let me get in here so my hands are in the camera. It's from Amazon. I have no idea what we got going on here. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, this is something really cool. This is a bow drill kit. Primitive Fire bow drill kit. Wow, it's bigger than I thought it would be. It's got a lot of components to it. This is something I'm going to be having some fun with here on a tactical channel. Primitive Fire and a complete bow drill kit. We'll be going through this in all detail here later on. Let me get it open and see what we got. They wanted me to try this out and do a demonstration for them. So they've made a very nice rounded bow and with the cord right there, 550 cord. And it looks like they put some extra on there. Durable, so it's going to last. They've got plenty of fire starting materials here. Rope. Oakum. Not even familiar with oakum, so I'm going to have to check that out. There's a it says it's extremely flammable. So that's curious. I'm going to have to check that out. I'm not even familiar with that. It looks like rope material, which it could very well be for all I know. And then we've got here we've got some sticks with points. We got some partially burnt already. Let me open this up. Pretty cool. There's the instruction sheet. I'll put the website down below too so you can check it out. And here we've got a bunch of components. Obviously you wouldn't carry every one of these pieces out with you on a survival expedition, but what's going to be awesome for me is to get the experience and skills of working a bow drill set. And here we have a rounded stone. Boy, that's polished. Wow. Got the rounded stone here. Really polished out, comfortable. And a piece of leather. We'll figure out what that's all for later. And some twine. And in here we got the board, already a little bit pre-burnt with the spot for the little flaming coal to come through. And then here we've got some drills with various burnt ends. So it looks like some were used a little bit to burn it in, some, and there's double-ended. So you got 3 of these. Obviously that's going to go like that. So this is going to be really cool. I'm going to go over the instructions and we'll check this out. But this is the unboxing video and the first impressions. So again, excuse me baby cat. You obviously wouldn't take all of this with you out in the field. You've got your bow and your stone. You've got one of your sticks and you've got your base and then some kindling material. But we'll go over all this in fine detail later on and get back to you. But I'm really excited. It's a really cool setup. The Primitive Fire bow drill instructions. Primitive Fire. We'll put the links down below. You can check it on out. And stay tuned for some really cool experiments and fire starting videos here on TR, Tech Tactical, and Survival. And I want to say thank you guys. Oh, it looks really cool. And definitely, at the very least, it's a great thing to experiment with and get knowledge on primitive fire starting skills. You might not have this with you in the field, out in the bush, or in a survival situation, but it's really, really, really good to experiment now in a comfortable environment and get comfortable with it so when you're out there in the real world, you can survive. Thanks guys. Troy from TR Tech Tactical. Talk to you later.